Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to share documents on Terabox, and now let's dive right in. Now to share documents on Terabox, first open up your Terabox app on your phone, and after opening your Terabox app guys, on this interface you can see this is the home interface. You land over here. There is the documents button available for us over here just below the search bar. Tap on the documents button over here just beside the videos, and all of the documents available on your Terabox app will be over here. Now in order to share a particular document on the Terabox, from the Terabox, tap and hold on the document which you want to share, and after tapping and holding on the document which you want to share on Terabox, you can see guys, after the tick mark appears at the right side of that document, a menu is available for us at the bottom of the screen, and there is the share button available for us at the left side just beside the download. Tap on the share button over here, and this kind of panel will appear where you will be able to share your document from the Terabox, from Messenger or WhatsApp, Telegram. You can see there are also a lot of social media platform available on my phone. In your case also guys, the social media platform which you had installed on your phone will be available for you, through which you'll be able to share that document. And with that being said guys, let's open up the Telegram. For example, let's tap on Telegram, and it will create a link and open a Telegram app over here. And after opening a Telegram app guys, you can search for a chat whomever you want to send the document, and after searching for that person guys, tap on the person's name and just tap on that pen icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and that will be sent like this guys, where you can see at the bottom of the screen this is the Terabox link of the document, and if I tap on it, it will be downloaded. Similarly guys, you can also send or share your document from Terabox from over here, or you can just tap on copy link, and similarly you'll be able to paste that link wherever you want to or whomever you want to send it to on any platform. For example, I'll be just opening the notes over here, and after opening the notes, let's open up a new note and paste that link over here. And you can see guys, the link from the Terabox has been pasted over here, and your friend or that person you want to share the document will be able to download or say view that document by tapping on the link which you send, which is this link of the Terabox. And with that being said guys, this is how to share documents on Terabox. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.